Welcome, friends. It's the Prepared Patriarch, and you're in the Prepper Dungeon. It is currently 10 o'clock at night, Wednesday, December 16th, and we got a nor'easter going on outside as we speak. There is forecasted to be between 16 to 24 inches of snow. Going to be dumped on us by the morning, and very, very high winds and a high probability of us losing power all across the tri-state area. So this is a perfect opportunity to put into action some oil lamps that I have recently purchased. They came in from eBay. I try to order more from eBay or from the manufacturer's website themselves if I can, rather than Amazon. I'd rather give my money to small companies or to an individual, selling on eBay. With that being said, I want to prep these. I want to fill them with oil and get them ready just in case we lose power overnight. I do have flashlights. I do have a battery-powered lantern, but I have been meaning to get familiar with these. I've never used an oil lantern. They're also called hurricane lanterns. Okay, so these are Dietz from 1840. This company started manufacturing lanterns, and these are the same ones they were making in 1840. So here we go, guys. This just adds, capabilities. It's a different kind of light. You might run out of batteries. There might be an EMP. Who knows? This will not be affected by an EMP. And this takes multiple sources. I did a little research. People have used olive oil, vegetable oil, things like that. So this is what it looks like. Okay, is this the? Here it is. It's instructions. It's very light. I thought it would be heavier. In the old movies when they're walking around with the lantern. This is cool. I'm glad I got this. These were $32, $33, something like that. I did order 3 of them. Okay, and I also ordered 3 2-liter bottles, so 6 liters altogether of lamp oil. Okay, this is scentless, smokeless, odorless. You can get colored lamp oil, scented lamp oil, citronella oil you can use also. I did a little bit of homework before I started this video, just like 90 seconds worth. So that's all I got. The different types of oil you can use. And what I wish I looked up before ordering these lanterns were they come in different sizes. You see right there under the yellow it says number 76. That's the size they're referring to. Size, I wish I got 80s. 80s are, the number 80 is bigger. The glass is about up to here and it's much wider. So, but different. This is probably good for indoor. Maybe I'll get an 80 or 2 if we have to go. If I have to take it outside to illuminate something. So this here, right here on the bottom, there's a little screw, and this entire circular cylindrical base is the fuel tank, okay? So you open that up. Now it would be very helpful if I had a funnel. I do not have a funnel. I'm a prepper, not a mechanic here. Just kidding. But what I'll do is, I'll just cut a small hole in this plastic, so maybe it'll come out really more controllable. There we go. Well, we got a little leakage, but it's okay. I'll clean it up. Oops. Alright, so it's just about full. I read on the directions, I just saw that it said do not fill 100% of the way. 85% will suffice because it can leak. We're past that though. Leaking doesn't bother us. Wow, this takes a lot of oil for what seems to be a little tank. Okay, and I filled it 105% of the way. So what we're gonna do now is let the wick soak up some of that oil, okay? Because I think it's wound up in there a little bit. So it's gonna soak it up. So let's give it some time, and I'll clean this oil that I spilled, and we'll come back then and we'll check it out. What we'll do is we'll turn the lights off after we light this up, and we'll see how it works. Maybe we'll take it even outside. You know what? We got street lights outside. Down here in the dungeon with the lights off, it's pitch black. So we'll test it out then. Okay? I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, and we're back with our oil lantern. It has been 1 hour since the wick has been soaking the paraffin oil. Okay, this here is called a wick knob. You can see it protrudes and retracts the wick. And over here, I'm not sure what this is called, but what it does is, let me show you from the other side. As I push it down, it exposes, see, the wick. That's how you light it. Now, if you had a match or a, the barbecue lighter, I think it would be better. Well, go. So as the wick is controlled, the more you pop it out, the bigger the flame, the more you retract it, the smaller the flame. This brings back so many memories from those old movies. Alright, let's go and turn the lights off. Let's see how this works. How well it works, I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna do like a little lap around the dungeon. Let's see how it's doing. It's actually, I'm looking at the phone now, the screen, and it looks better in person than you guys can tell. I mean, by the way the way it looks on the screen, it's not really all that, but I'm actually impressed. This is pretty good. This isn't bad at all, and it's a nice light where it's not those modern LED flashlights where it kills your night vision. You could sleep with this on, and I'm sure like your brain would shut off. I don't know, the blue light, the whole blue light thing. LED lights emit a blue light, so you wouldn't get the best quality sleep. But you could probably sleep with this and just have a better sleep. I can see everything on the shelves, every little thing. I can read it, the smallest words, the most minute details from everywhere. So, see that there's a good angle. All right, guys. So this has been my demonstration of oil lanterns. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. When you reach 1,000 subscribers, YouTube allows you to have live streams, and I think that is the coolest thing ever. Live streams. That's one of the reasons I really started this channel. One of the reasons, as far as enjoyment and I don't know, something like a milestone to look forward to. I just want to have. I found a little hook here that I have, one of these little hangy hooks, so I'm going to use that to keep it hung. So I'd like to have. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can start live streaming. It seems like a lot of fun to me. Some of the channels that I follow, such as North Shore Preparedness, Pinball Preparedness, who else? Prepper Nation, Prepper Now, my personal favorite. Also Bear, but Bear is Bear. I don't have to, everybody knows Bear Independent. Alaska Prepper. It just seems like a lot of fun, and I really, really want to host a live chat, maybe once a week, maybe more. It depends. We'll see how it goes. But if you guys wouldn't mind, maybe telling a friend, and your friend could tell a friend to give me a subscription, so I could hit that 1,000 mark, and I would really like to take it the next step further, guys. I have been increasing my capabilities as a prepper to be prepared for any condition, and I want to start increasing my preps. I have purchased a pressure canner that has been delivered. I'm going to do a video on that tomorrow. I have also purchased, geez, I'm getting so much stuff delivered. What else did I get? I got you know what? I'm going to wait till tomorrow to tell you what this one is. This one's a surprise. This one's a big deal. But, so it's the pressure canner and then something else. That's something else you guys are going to be excited about. Guys, I'm going to go now. God bless you all. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for watching. If you have any advice for me, please share. I do appreciate you guys sharing your advice. A lot of you have more experience than I do in this field. Preparedness, survivalism, preparing yourself, your family, your home or homestead to survive and thrive. So with that being said, I bid you all a good night and God's blessings upon you all and your families, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.